Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can record screen using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and as you can see, I have created a design on my Canva, and I'm going to show you how we can record screen and add the video to this design. First of all guys, we can go to the uploads menu, and then we're going to click on record yourself. And then here we will have some options guys. Wait, we can click on this setting icon, and here we will have option to record ourselves with our camera and screen, or just screen. And I'm just going to select screen. Okay, I'm just going to select entire screen. Wait, sorry. And then I'm going to click on share. Okay, and then we can click on record to start recording our screen. Okay, and now my screen is being recorded, and then I'm just going to go back to my Canva, and then I'm going to click on done. All right, and we can click on save and exit. Okay, and then the video will be automatically added to our Canva design. This is the result. Okay, and then I'm just going to close it, pause it. And if we want to save the recorded video to our device guys, we can click on these three dots, and then we can click on download, and then the video will be saved to our device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record screen using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.